Hey, this is SirTesoroz with another product review. This time it's the SOG Field Pup knife. Overall length is 8.5 inches. Blade length is 4 inches. The steel is AUS 8 stainless steel, which is a very good stainless. It holds an edge very well. It's also hard enough that you can use it with fire steels. You can baton with this, believe it or not. I haven't used it that much. I've skinned some squirrels with it, made a few fires, did a little bit of batoning with it, and I can tell you it's a pretty durable knife for its size. The handle is Creighton, which makes it very comfortable in the way it's formed. You have the grooves up here for your thumb, so if you have to carve something, I assure you this gives you a very stable grip. Very, very good knife for the money. Online, you're probably looking at about $35 to $40 for it. If you need a good backup knife, if you need a knife to throw in your tackle box or something to go camping with, I would suggest this knife. For the money, you can't beat it. Another good thing about this knife is it comes with a durable nylon sheath. Heavy duty, has the plastic insert for the blade, has a pocket, and we'll go into that in just a minute. You turn it over and you have various ways of mounting it as well. I usually just put it on my belt and go. This is a good durable sheath. And I tell you, for the money, for 35 or 40 bucks, you're looking at a sheath that could probably run you $20, $25 if you bought it by itself. Very nice combination sheath and knife. Now, people keep different things in their pockets. Me, get this out of the way, I carry a Swiss Army Huntsman with a little fire steel on it. It's always a good idea to carry some form of fire making. I don't care if it's a lighter, matches, anything, magnesium. Just make sure you carry something if you're going into the woods, because you never know. Now, this is a very nice knife. I picked this up online, I believe, for about $25. I don't need all the accessories that come with, say, a champ or something like that. I just wanted a good basic knife, but I was looking for something that offered a saw. And I'll tell you what, this thing has an incredible wood saw on it. But you also have a corkscrew. Bear with me, it's a little difficult looking through the lens doing this. You have a hook. You have a hole maker with the hole there, so if you got some 550 cord you separate, you can sew something with that. It has a small blade, and I can tell you, these little blades are very sharp. It has a large blade. And there's the wood saw. And I tell you what, that little thing there flat works. And another bonus, if you ever make a fire bow on your fireboard, when you go to notch your hole, this works excellent for that too. Scissors. Can opener with a small flathead screwdriver. Bottle opener with a large flat screwdriver. And yes, the scales aren't normal scales. I bought this knife with these scales on it. I just thought it was something different, and I love anything with the American flag on it, so that's the main reason I bought it. But anyways, you're looking at probably about $60 for everything I have here, maybe $70. But it wouldn't bother me to walk into any set of woods with it. I'm comfortable with it. Both knives serve their purposes, plus the fire steel. But I can tell you this, the Field Pup's an excellent knife. If you have $35, $40 you want to spend on a knife, do yourself a favor and get that one. It's a great knife. Put aside the fact it's good for backup. If you just wanted a main knife, just to walk in the woods with occasionally, it would be excellent for that. Well, this is SirTesoroz signing off. Until next time, have a good one, and thanks for watching.